Okay, this is going to be a quick card. I have started out with a 5x7 cardstock base, which you can get at Joann's, Michael's, or any craft store. I have cut out one of my digital papers to measure 4.75 by 6.75 inches. My little centerpiece is from one of my other digital papers, and that one measures 2 inches by 5 inches. And then I have my postcard image, and then I use my season's greeting and my little tag from actually the Santa Claus postcard set. I was going to use this one, the blue one, but then I decided I kind of like how the cream color stood out. I also have 2 of the little candy canes, or actually peppermints, that come at the bottom. And these are ones that I actually painted in GIMP a long time ago when I was first learning how to use GIMP. And I'm just going to kind of stick these right here, just so you get the idea. I have inked all my edges with frayed burlap, and I have also distressed them using a pair of scissors. And if you don't know how to do that, I'll just show you really quick on this piece here. And you just take your scissors and rub it along the edge like that, and then you ink everything. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to just really quick, I'm going to go ahead and just use some art glitter glue here on this one, if I can get it to come out. It's a little bit. There we go. This stuff holds really well, so I think I'm getting like a tiny bead. Here we go. So as long as I get some on here. All right, flip this over. And I'm just gonna eyeball where I want it on my card. It doesn't have to be too exact. There we go, because it gives it that nice vintagey feel. I'm gonna do the same here with my tone-on-tone writing piece. Make sure I get my words the right way. I'm just going to center this where I think it looks good. There we go. Give it a little mush down. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and take off the Tombow foam tab pieces here real quick. I just have one in each corner, and you can get the foam tabs and the ribbons and trims I'll be using from Really Reasonable Ribbon. Alrighty, and I just kind of eyeballed that and put that on. I'm going to use some glue here to put on my little December 25 stamp on my postcard. Just kind of center it in here. There we go. I like how when you touch it, it adds like a layer. I just like lots of layers. But I wanted to kind of keep this flat so it would be easy to mail, so you don't have to get like a special big envelope or anything. And I'm going to just put Season's Greetings here, the bottom left. Super cute. I'm going to go ahead, I think I'm going to do these like right here. Oops. So I'm just going to add some glue. I'm going to turn this around so I can work it a little bit closer to me so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same with this one. And it just adds a little bit more like additional layers to the card. So let me just show you up close here how this looks so far. Super cute, very happy with it. Here's the bottom. So this could actually be called Done and you could mail it. But I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of lace and a button and stuff. So I will be right back once I get my embellishments together. Alright, I went ahead and I added some of the lace here behind my focal image and 2 of the Mayarts leaves there. And I'm going to add 2 more to the other side here. And I'm just going to simply put on a little bead of glue. And then turn my card around so I can stick this underneath, just so you don't see the edge. There we go. I'm going to do the same with the other leaf. There we go. There we go. Cute, cute, cute. Actually, add a little more glue because I didn't get any here, I guess, at the tip. There we go. So stay there. I added one of my little joyful tags from my Santa ticket set, and I just simply glued that on. And now I'm just going to add a dollop of glue here and add my bead, actually my button, with my teal baker's twine from Really Reasonable Ribbon, and the Maillards leaf and the lace come from there as well. I'm going to go ahead and trim up my lace, and I kind of cheated. I just tuck a little bit of lace underneath so that I'm not using a whole strip since you can't see it. So there we go. Super cute. And I think I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter now. So let's see. I think I'll do some red, and I'm going to go with, let's see, garnet. Let me see if I like garnet. Ooh, I do like garnet. So I'm going to go with red. And let's see. Actually, I'll start off with Fauna, which is number 208. And I'm going to get my little glitter collection sheet here. There we go. And I'm going to start off with putting some glue on the ivory colored tone on tone piece here. I'm making like little hashtag marks here in the corners. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the glitter real quick. And give it a little tap here and there. Oh, it looks all pretty and sparkly. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and do what I did the last time. I'm just going to put between the green and the red a line of the Fauna glitter. So it's kind of like on the cream colored stripe. And I'm going to do it on this one as well. I'm going to turn my card around so it's just easier to work on. Okay. My big old pile of glitter. My friends always freak out. They're like, oh my gosh, you use so much glitter. But a lot of it just falls off, so you just stick it back in the container. All right, I'll just kind of set it over here to dry for a moment while I collect my glitter here and put it back in my container. Okay, put that over there with my lid. And then I'm going to grab this again. And I think that I'm gonna, I have my leaves here. And so I was thinking I would make like 3 dots of glue. Oops. Kind of big ones, like 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And that way it kind of looks a little bit like holly berries. And I add a little glitter there. And then, oops, and I just accidentally ran my glitter together. So let me see what I have here that I can maybe fix this here real quick. I'm gonna, well, I guess I'm gonna have all 3. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna use a piece of paper and I'm just gonna scrape it off and let it dry because it dries clear, and then I'll do it again. So just let that dry and I'll be right back. While I'm waiting for this glue to dry over here, I went ahead and added some glue to the outside edges, and I'm going to add some Peachy Keen glitter. And that is number 162. Just peachy, actually, not Peachy Keen. All right, turn this way and do another hashtag type symbol here. And just straight across. Same here. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same here. So you could actually make quite a few Christmas cards pretty quick in a little assembly line. Do all your glittering at one time. But like I said earlier, you really don't even need to have the glitter on here to make really pretty cards. And they would be easy to mail without all the embellishments. But this is still pretty flat card. So I don't know if you can see from the side, but it's pretty flat. So it would still fit probably in an envelope. But you'd want to make sure before you put it in that envelope that it's all really, really dry. And the glue here will keep its shape, the art glitter glue, once it is dried. So otherwise I have put things in something before and the glitter gets smudged and it doesn't look as pretty as it did. So I believe that is almost dry. So I am gonna, oops, grab this back here then and try this one more time. So dollop of glue here, 1 there, 1 here, and some glitter. And I'm just going to let that one sit and dry for a little while so that I don't have the same mistake I just made the last time. All right, I will be right back after this is dried. While I was waiting for that to dry, I went ahead and added some glue and decided to add some glitter to my little peppermint candies there. And then give them a little tap to clear them off. So I just want to show you up close how pretty and sparkly everything is. Okay, and again, this is my vintage birds postcards, and then the tickets are the Santa ones, and the season's greetings in this image are also part of the Santa Digital Collage Sheet set, which is postcards and also ATCs. So you get 6 large postcard size and then 8 of the ATCs, and it's the same thing with this set, and then the tickets are sold separate. All right, I am gonna let this dry some more and call it done, and I'm very happy with how my card turned out. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have any ideas of something you would like me to create, just send me an email. Thanks. Bye.